Hello, friends! Welcome back to the Smile Road podcast, where we explore ideas and strategies that inspire learning, positivity, and personal growth. I'm your host, Sir M, and today we're diving into resilience in action. How to bounce back from the setbacks life throws at us. Resilience isn't just a word, it's a skill, and it can be learned. Every challenge, every mistake, every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger and smarter. Let's start with the basics. Resilience is the ability to adapt, recover, and move forward after facing difficulties. It's about taking life's knocks and turning them into something, into a stepping stones towards your goals. Everyday obstacles happen to all of us. Failing a test or missing a deadline, losing a game or not getting the recognition you hope for, feeling discouraged after trying something new. What matters isn't the setback itself, it's how you respond. I have practical tips for building resilience. First tip or first strategy: acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel frustrated, sad, and disappointed. Accept your emotions before taking action. The second step or strategy: reflect and learn. Ask yourself, what can I learn more from this experience? How can I improve this time or the next time around? Next strategy: take small, consistent steps. Progress is built one action at a time. Next strategy: seek support. Friends, family, mentors. Don't hesitate to learn on those who encourage you. The next strategy: stay flexible. Life rarely goes exactly as planned. The key is adaptability. Here's a simple exercise you can do today. Think of one small setback you recently faced. Write it down. Next to it, write 3 ways you could respond differently to learn and grow from it. Then, take one small action based on your plan. Even small steps make a big difference in strengthening resilience over time. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding challenges. It's about rising stronger every time life tests you. Every setback carries a lesson. Every challenge is an opportunity. And every time you bounce back, you're building the better, stronger, more confident version of yourself. So, face life with courage, take action, and always practice resilience in action. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Smile Road Podcast. If this inspired you to approach setbacks differently, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who might need a boost today. Until next time, stay resilient, keep learning, and keep walking your smile road with strength. Thank you.